Now the carcass is finished, so we can fill in the rest of the stair. Alright, now we're going to start on the winders. So first we'll measure all the risers and we'll draw the winders on a board and put all the measurements on there too. That's just my rough drawing for my measurements.
So the wall is at a square. So we just take 5mm off the back, so it's not a perfectly square cut. So that's why the winders are left bigger.
So what I do is I cut this on a slight angle because it jams the winder as you want to fit it. So I just cut him on a slight angle so it's easier to fit. We leave the winder long on the back so we can remark the riser lines and then recut it.
So just like a riser wedge, we're going to cut 20mm off the back so it's easier to get in.
Alright, for the next winder you're going to need a sliding bevel. So what I do is from the winder before, the riser line, I get the angle off that for this back corner and the same where the post is. And what I do is I transfer that over to the winder. Same again, on the post side I transfer that angle across and then back on the winder. Alright, so same again, I'll leave the back of the winder big and then remark the riser lines.
Winders are in, let's put in the risers. The riser is not ripped, so we need to just take the corners off, each end next to the post, so it fits in the trenching. Alright, so we run a brace under the center of the winder, and the winder is 45 degrees, so we do a 22.5 cut each side, and we cut the wedge on the stringer side to make it suit, and we just glue and nail.
Yeah.